Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to have a little bit of Yamaha R1 ASMR. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let us get into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. And as the title of the video suggests, we're going to have a bit of Yamaha Big Bang R1 ASMR. So please feel free to like, comment and subscribe to the video. So without further ado, let us get stuck into the noise. That is the 2013 Yamaha Big Bang R1. Enjoy! So ladies and gents, how did you enjoy that little bit of ASMR on the old R1? First time I've attempted it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions or comments about the R1, please feel free to put it in the comments box down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. But for now, as always ladies and gents, thanks for watching the video till the end. You have been awesome as always. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the roads, be aware of COVID-19, be safe, be happy, and as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, adios!